What's up, guys? Got this TJ here. I want to do a clutch on. The guy's clutch pedal. Let's see if I can find it up there. Where should be? That's the connector. Anyways, there's the wallowed out master cylinder for the clutch. Popped off the clutch actually. Let's see. And the guy said he's been having noise with the clutch, so he just wants to replace everything. So I'm gonna pull off the two bolts. Where are they at? Those two bolts for the master there, and then we'll get her up in the air and start getting the training out. I'll get back with y'all. Alright, guys, we got the slave disconnected. We'll pull that guy through like so. There we go. Pull her out. Make sure you get your electrical connected. So, got that there. Now we'll go disconnect the slave, get that out of the way, and start pulling some stuff. Alright, guys, so we got her up in the air. We gotta get all this crap out of the dang way. Get this AX-15 out. So there's the slave that we're gonna get, but pretty much we are gonna pull pretty much the skid plate down, the dryer shafts, and then everything connected to it, all electrical, transfer case, and shifter. And then once I get that all kind of pulled off, I'll get back with y'all and let y'all see what's going on. Alright, guys, about to get this transfer skid plate, whatever. Got one bolt left over on this side. Come over to this side though. Oh, look at that guy right there. He ain't worth a shit. Oh, look. Fucking damn nut done stripped. So we're gonna have to cut her out to get this thing down. So let me cut her out and we'll get back to it. Alright, guys. So we're back. Got the skid plate down. This was the walled out bolt. Drilled a 7/8 hole. Look at that. Come right out. 7/8 hole. And there we go. So we'll clean all that up, get the metal out of it. So well, now technically move the front drive shaft, slave, crank sensor. It's up there somewhere. Where's my flash? There we go. Crank sensor right there. And a bunch of electrical on transmission and transfer case. Shifters, and then unbolt all the bolts. So I'll get back with y'all here in a second. Alright, guys, so you got this connector, 3 connectors, 1, 2 right here, 3 up here, right there. Pulled off the exhaust, the tranny mount, and the exhaust bracket. Alright, you got your 2 bolts, 1 there, and 1's up a little bit further for the bracket. And of course, pull your shifter out. And I got the slave out right here. You got the crank sensor off right there. Slave. And then, yeah, of course, the front drive shaft off. I believe that was all the connections on the axle transmission, and of course the vent tube. So, and then of course pull the starter, disconnect the battery. So give me a couple minutes, I'm going to get this ready to drop out. Alright, guys, I got the 2 bolts from up top. they are these guys. They are called inverted Torx. They're E12. E12. Alright. And then before you go and disconnect everything, I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's two bolts. One on this side and one over here. The hole's right up there under that. Right up under the plug, you can see the hole where I took the bolt out of. You have to get that out, otherwise the training won't pull out, because that's the shield plate right here, and it'll be stuck against the flywheel. So make sure you pull those bolts out. So now all I got left is two bolts that's holding it in. One there, and one on the other side. So I'm going to get the tranny jack over here and hook it up, and then we're going to pull this tranny out. I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, got the tranny out. There's the old greasy nasty thing. I don't know if y'all can hear this. We're gonna get her all cleaned up, everything popped out, new clutch put in there, new pilot. So let me get all this stuff taken off real quick. Alright guys, got the old pilot out. Got the new one in all lubed up. We're gonna throw the flywheel on real quick. Alright guys, we got the flywheel in, all torqued down. A little bit of red Loctite, you know, safety measures. Let's get the clutch on. Alright, got the clutch in, all torqued down. Make sure when you're putting the disc on, don't get your grubby fingers all over that crap. You want it nice and clean. Really, you don't even want to be able to touch it out of the plastic. Plastic straight to metal to metal. You don't want oil on your clutch. At least your disc. And then clean up all your surfaces. When you're tightening everything, torquing, everything's in a cross pattern. Never all the way around in a circle. Cross pattern always. A little bit of Loctite. So, now, I'm going to change this nasty thing here. Oh. It's a little noisy. So, get this guy all pulled apart and we'll get him changed out. Alright guys. Got the tranny back in. All that crap. So, I'm not going to video or nothing of all the install. Pretty much is just reverse of everything that we did earlier in the video. So should be pretty easy. But otherwise, if you like it, found it useful, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more videos. So man, we got that old beast sitting out there. About 5 inches of lift or so on that. But otherwise, I'm going to get finishing this up, and that'll be it. Alright guys, y'all take it easy.